Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. How to make billions in real estate starting with little or no money. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or a private preview is available upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. The economy is changing at lightning speed, while money is changing hands at an extreme pace, largely into the receiving hands of tech billionaires. We're sharing with you some valuable information about this topic, how to make $1 billion in real estate starting with little or no money. This is a very special audio and video podcast because this is our initial planning process that you're being let in on before the whole world receives all the marketing and advertising that we're going to be doing. You get to hear these thoughts right out of my head as they're coming. These are pre-planning. Some of these are thoughts. They're just ideas. Some are postulations, posits. Some are hypotheses, theories. This is what we're talking about today, but it's giving it to you so that you'll know what is in this initial planning process. We're going to be offering to help people to make $1 billion in real estate starting with little or no money. This is the two most profitable things. Let's start with what has worked best for me over the last 10 years. That's been two things that I've done. One is real estate as a licensed real estate agent, real estate salesperson, licensed real estate broker, and a credentialed mortgage loan originator. Then the second thing, which is equal in importance, is Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency, and profitably mining, which comes from learning about how all this works. So that's exactly what we're doing now. We're creating new ways to connect those two big topics of real estate and blockchain. They can work together so that they amplify each other. That's where the $1 billion plan comes in. That's been the secret of my success. Without doing that, I don't know what I'd be doing now, perhaps serving Slurpees at 7-Eleven or working at McDonald's, or based on my experience, I'd probably be more like working as a marketing director for some company, or doing sales using my experience, or I could be working with blockchain somehow. Probably sales and marketing for a blockchain company. In fact, I've initiated communication with the people at Bitcoin Suisse in Switzerland, and I've been working on my Swiss German. Let's give you the basic plan of $1 billion in real estate starting with little or no money. First of all, there's two trains of thought, and we're talking about success. One is the fact that some people want an overnight success. Other people, however, understand that the strong, lasting foundation of long-term success is the kind that takes a long time to develop. And that's what we're looking at, the best of both worlds, which is the fastest way to generate revenue by taking advantage of real estate and blockchain, and also the most durable, strong foundation, the longest lasting. I've seen now a lot of both, quick money that disappears quickly, and also very long-term durable success. For the most part, the quick overnight success gives the most fleeting results that disappear the fastest. The success that takes longest to build up, however, is the strongest foundation, the longest lasting success. So that's what we're going to be focused on, merging of those two worlds together. Let's start with a little bit of background first, talking about me, some of my failures, my journey as an entrepreneur over the last 40 years. But I'm going to let you read about that on the LA Loft blog, because I want to get more into the actual making of the billions of dollars for you before we run out of time in a few seconds. So I started doing real estate in downtown Los Angeles, 2012, 2013, made enough money to buy Bitcoin. So I've been doing many millions of dollars of real estate, and then the Bitcoin that I bought, if you calculate over 150 Bitcoins, it's now in the millions of dollars. So one Bitcoin, just the Bitcoins I've given away, is worth hundreds of thousands. So take a look at this. It's about combining real estate and Bitcoin using NTAR. You can visit the LA Loft blog, www.laloftblog.com, also www.ntar.com. Thanks for joining me. Corey Chambers, Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. And we'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.